Hi everyone and welcome to Clean Up with Kelly. If you have stone or granite countertops, you'll want to keep watching this video. I show you how I keep mine nice and polished. I also show you how I seal them every 6 months. So if that is something you'd like to see, then just keep watching. In this video, I'm going to be using my Method Daily Granite to clean and then my Weiman granite and stone sealer to seal the granite countertops. You can find these at most stores, but I will leave a link to them in the description. So the first thing you want to do is clear off the area, make sure everything is off of your counters or whatever space that you're cleaning.
Talking, the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
Next, you want to thoroughly clean your countertops. I'm going to be using this Method Daily Granite just to get everything up, no grease or crumbs. Make sure it's all gone.
Shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
I just want to give you a chance to read the bottle. There are very specific instructions on the back. I like to read everything before I use them, but you want to wash your hands afterward, or you can use gloves to use this. Before you start, you want to make sure the area is well ventilated, so I open my doors and make sure the fans are going. So next you want to spray the countertops evenly with this spray. Make sure you have a nice even layer. You don't want to oversaturate it, but you want to make sure that it stays on the counter and that it's not getting soaked up. If it is soaked up, you can go ahead and put a second layer on. The next step is to wait for 5 minutes to make sure everything is soaked into the stone. After the 5 minutes are up, you want to take a microfiber cloth and wipe off any of the excess sealer in a circular motion.
Keep
once you've wiped all the areas, you can go ahead and wash your hands if you didn't use gloves, and then you want to wait 4 to 6 hours to make sure everything is dry.
Gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fight and live it life.
I noticed instantly how much more shiny and smooth my countertops were. This video is not doing it justice. It really was reflecting a lot more. I'm trying to show you what I can, but I can definitely tell the difference.
Gotta do something, let it snow tonight.
Once the counters are fully dry, you can go ahead and put everything back on. I like to do this every 6 months. It's recommended to do it at least once a year, and I notice instantly that they are so shiny and very smooth again. So this is a closer look at what my counters look like after sealing them and cleaning them very thoroughly. I hope this video gave you some information if you're wondering about how to maintain stone countertops. I know that was something I was curious about when we were moving. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments how often you do this to your counters. If you do it 6 months like me or yearly, I'd love to know. Thank you so much for watching.
I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away.